Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix volume automatically goes up and down by itself in Windows 11. So in this video, we'll be performing different methods. So make sure you will finish the video from the very start to the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. Tap on it and wait until you are being redirected to the settings window. You can also use the shortcut keys, which is by pressing Windows key and I key together, that would open the settings for you. Please proceed with System, click on it, and under the System tab, scroll down and look for an option called Troubleshoot. Click on it, and afterwards, you would be able to see three options. Proceed with other troubleshooters, and look for an option called Audio or Playing Audio. So click this run option and run the troubleshooters of the system audio. Okay. So mostly when you run the troubleshooters on Windows 11, like audio not working properly or automatically goes up and down, it will surely be fixed. You just have to complete the procedure and once done, restart your computer. But let's say if it doesn't fix for you, then we need to move on to our second method. We're here at the bottom search bar. Please type for services. The moment you have typed that, please proceed with the best match, go with open to continue and wait until a new window would appear which is the services. Where here you need to select any of the service and system, type W so that you would be redirected to the service or system starting with letter W. Where here you need to look for Windows Audio. Please do a right click, go with properties, and under the general tab, proceed with startup type and go with automatic. Now one of the main factor that you have faced an error or issue is that you don't set it into automatic. So it's very important to set the Windows audio properties at automatic and click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then navigate here the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and then go with device manager. So please expand your device manager window and look for sound, video, and game controllers. Click this forward arrow and select your speaker adapters. Please do a right click and go with update driver. And this window will opt you to choose two options. Proceed with the first, which is search automatically for drivers. Tap on it. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, go with search for updated drivers and it will search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Complete the process and search for update drivers and install it in your Windows and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to navigate the same process and that is here at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and go with device manager. Once a new window would appear, which is the device manager, proceed again with sound, video, and game controllers. Click this forward arrow, select your speaker adapter or driver. Please do a right click and go with update driver. This time you need to select for browse my computer for drivers manually and for let me pick for from a list of available drivers in my computer and select the compatible hardware or driver here listed. Okay, so in my case, I only have the one, but in your case, if you have two or three compatible driver here, you just have to select one by one, click on next and install that. Go with the second, click on next, third, click on next, and so on. And observe what driver will work for you best. Once done, close this window. But let's say if that doesn't fix your problem, then we need to bound to our last step. Our last step would be here at the taskbar, you can see there are speaker icon. Please do a right click and click on sound settings. A new window would appear which is your sound settings. You just have to scroll down and look for more sound settings and click this arrow icon so that a new window would appear which is your sound. Where here you need to make sure that your speakers is the selected device under playback and go with properties and under the device usage, make sure that it is being set as use this device enabled. Go with apply and then OK. Okay. Make sure that it is also the selected default device. Once done, proceed with recording and make sure that your microphone is the default device. Go with properties again and navigate here in device usage. Make sure that it's being enabled, apply, and then OK. Click on OK and close this window and restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to complete the procedure or the actions that we have performed in this video. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.